Ah, yes. Let's solve an equation, shall we? We have negative 12 on the left. We have 2 plus 5v plus 2v on the right. If you have multiple things going on, try to combine like terms on each side first, like we were about to do here. That becomes 7v. And then the negative 12 and the 2 and the equal sign and the plus sign drops down. Now we have a two-step equation. So subtract 2 from both sides, subtract 2 from both sides, cross that out. Negative 12 minus 2 is negative 14. That equals 7v. And in order to get v all by itself, you do the inverse operation, which is divide 7 from both sides, divide 7 from both sides. Negative 14 divided by 7 is negative 2. Negative 2 equals v. Or I always like to put the variable on the left side. Not that it matters. It all depends on your teacher, but I like putting another variable on the left side. So there you have it. V equals negative 2.